Thank you, Udo, and thank you everyone for involving us. Thank you, Najesh and Prashant, to give this opportunity. Is definitely along with the Spryker team. So our team name is Hack Sparrow, and the idea that we're going to present is AI-enabled product search, promoting green products. So as we all know, in this new sustainable environment and everywhere, this search and quick search is something which is taking a good stab, and everybody wants to from the business side, they want to have a better conversion and quick conversion. And from the customer point of view, I would like to see my product that is in my mind quickly so that I can quickly add it to my cart and get away from the website. And I can browse more or those kind of things. So the intent of having this instead of, searching multiple things and get to the desired result, we thought of doing it using this artificial intelligence. So with this, I would like to introduce our team. Myself, Kushbu. Then we have Vinod, Pravesh, Vikas, and Manish. Definitely, we have Praveen as well. We forgot to include, but I don't know. We mentioned not to include me because I'm just a volunteer, so we just left him. So thank you, Praveen, for helping us and drafting and everything. So over here we put some key facts. I can see majority of the entire team either likes talking to strangers or watching movies or reading books. And I can see Vikas mentioned that he's a midnight developer. So he generally prefers coding during night instead of during days. So yeah, that's this morning we suddenly yeah. So I saw yesterday they were chit chatting during the day and they sat around like till 4 or 3, I believe. 4 o'clock, and they were coding at that time.
We'll
Okay.
see now.
Yes, definitely. Okay. So, so the next one is our understanding of the problem and what I would not say the problem. It's more like a business opportunity for us that when this green energy came as a topic, we thought that, why not to integrate this AI based search, which is like everywhere. This first step on the e-commerce is to search something or to looking for the product. Browsing is important. And that's where we pick the point wherein instead of allowing user to give multiple filters and going to the complex navigation or simple navigation, we just simply ask the user to type whatever he's looking for and based on that show the results. So that's the whole idea. The opportunity that we took is to propose the customer to write whatever he's looking for, and based on that he can either use voice. So we cater like the different accessible person. It could be accessible to blinds, it could be accessible to different other folks who can use their voices instead of typing. They can type what they are looking for, and then based on that this elastic search queries created will be created and show the result page. And on the result page we try to show the green products along with the CO2 emission number. And we show that it'll just to spread the better awareness that we do have the green products as well along with the non-green products. So the benefits that we foresee or the value added to the Spryker or to the customer is something definitely for the customer it will be reduced search time, and for the Spryker or any e-commerce it will be definitely an increased conversion rate. For customer again it's an enhanced user experience, and definitely from the retailers or for any business side it will be an improved relevance which will actually help them to maintain their SEO as well as the data for different categorization or all the SEO terminologies that we generally use in this world, this search world. Going further, we have some architectural highlights and limitations. So for the architectural highlights, I'm just giving a glimpse. Definitely we can discuss more while demonstrating it. So we have used this vertex AI for NLP. We have extracted this metadata from the user provided phases and implemented the custom elastic research query to get the results. And also we have implemented this CO2 emission filter and badge on the products to promote the green products. The limitations that the current module or the current POV or the innovative idea that we have is the search is not case insensitive. It's very sensitive right now. If you're typing this del, so whatever value we have stored in whatever format, that only we use, and that value will only give the result. If I type this del in all small cases, and if the customer is typing DELL in capital, then it won't give the results. That's one current limitation. And another one, the code is not optimized yet. And the last one right now, it's supporting the basic search, but yes, definitely for the future outlook, we can, expand it to the multiple attributes and the other stuff. I think Vikas needs to add something. The case issue is in default Spryker. It's not a limitation of the implementation. Okay. So the next one, from the future outlook perspective, what we foresee is that the more refined options can be given to promote the green products on the top, so that customer, based on their desired results that they are looking for, they are getting the green products first and then the non-green products. More categories can be included for training the data as well as to show the results for the better customer experience. Then definitely UI and performance optimization is another outlook which we can work if more time and or for the future purposes. And last one, definitely we can enhance this voice to text search to cater not only the population but also how we can expand it in terms of innovation to cater better results and better increments or conversions. So over to Vinod. I think Vinod will going to present a demo. I'm just stop sharing my screen. And last, once this demo is done, then we can talk more about this realistic and the evaluation criteria that we have in our hand. I have not prepared a slide, but yes, based on the demo, we have some points for that. Over to you, Vinod.
Thank you, Krishna. I'm sharing my screen. I hope it is visible. So yeah, so this is our Spryker B2C. So currently, we are using the default Spryker without you can say enabling our module. So let's say as a successful business, what I want my customer to search, and customer hates clicking on filters. Okay, they want all the things from the search itself. Okay, so let's say I want laptop under 2000. Okay, and I'm hitting this. So the default Spryker will show me the result like this. Okay, so it will show me the as a is the relevant result as well, and yeah, it will not you can say consider all the demand that customer has made. Okay, now I'm just enabling my module, and if I'm in and then if I'm searching this product by enabling our module, then this our module will consider all the input that customer has given. It will convert those attribute in the attribute format, and then it will map those attribute with the Spryker attribute format, and then it will show us the relevant result using the elastic queries. Okay, so here we have given the this CO2 badge as well, where this is a you can say static. As of now, this is a static tag in the back office that we have created, and we have published the value from the CSV upload. And here we have given the carbon emission filter as well. User can select this from the result set. So this is the you can say standard range filter for this you can see badge. Okay, and yeah, apart from this we are also given the sorting option as well, so user can sort the product from the CO2 rating as well. So yeah, if we are sorting with the ascending, we can see the carbon emission built on the you can say ascending order, and then same we can sort by the descending order as well. So this is the new sorting that we have introduced. Okay, and apart from that, we also try to introduce one voice search as well. So let's say I'll be searching using the voice now. So let's say I want a laptop under 2000. Okay, so it will give me the all the laptop that is you can say having their price under 2000. Now let's say I want to modify my search. I want a laptop under 2000 with black color. So now it will give me the laptop that is having only black color. Now I want Lenovo laptop. So I want a Lenovo laptop in black color under 2000. I haven't clicked on this. Sorry. I want a Lenovo laptop with black color under 2000. So it will give me now only one record. That is my Lenovo laptop. Okay. So yeah, this is the you can say basic you can say AI integration that we have enabled currently. Like there are a lot of work to be done. Currently, we need to train our AI model with the attribute that we are having, and we can also train the categories as well. So there are a lot of things that we can do, but yeah, due to time constraints, like we were not able to train our AI model. But yeah, we try to, you can say, implement the best prompt that we can do. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you. Big applause for team 4.
Over here, one is Vinod, if you can share it back. We show the badge for CO2 value, which is a hard coded value against a product for now, but definitely using APIs and other stuff, the exact value for a single quantity can be kept here. Second thing, if you scroll down that sort by relevance, right now the products are getting sorted by the relevance, but yes, we can as a future perspective, we can sort the products by the CO2 rating itself, so that by default always this green products comes first along with their CO2 values, and we can sort on those values itself when we are showing those products. So it will actually help, especially the eco-friendly conscious or eco-conscious or environment conscious customers to purchase and made a right decision for them, which product to choose amongst all the products. That's one. And coming back to the evaluation criteria that we have, definitely all these features or small inputs that we have kept, it will definitely going to increase the value not only to the customer, as I mentioned, it will definitely going to increase to Spryker or to the business. And from the realistic purpose, yes, it's just an integration with the API or NLP the Spryker can support. And definitely Spryker can become a leader if not anyone is doing these kind of features for getting this implemented in their platform for now.
Thank you. Do we have one or two questions? Yes, Hiron. Hiron has a question. Can you give the mic on?
So, can you hear me? Okay. So, I developed something a POC similar to yours, but I used ChatGPT, which interpreted the text that I was inserting, and it creates also the Elasticsearch query. So I didn't have to split, use NLP. So maybe we could integrate that part into yours and combine both of them, because it's not case sensitive. You can see here. And then you don't have to work on the keywords and then making the query by hand, but everything is created as a Elasticsearch plugin. Okay, thank you.
So what was the question?
No, the question was, why not using natural language to process the phrase instead of using also to translate the query into Elasticsearch query. So if I type, for example, Dell laptop under 300 euros, okay, why not using also any other AI to translate that into an Elasticsearch query directly?
Because as of now, we have used this Vertex AI and pre-built model, that is Gemini 1.5. But in case of scenario where we have a lot of products, maybe lakhs of the products, and might be the attribute number might be more than 1,000 or 5,000. In that case, search cannot be optimized using the language tools like Gemini or multimodal things. So in that case, we have to create our custom model and have to train that model with the product data in our e-commerce system. So based on that, yes, you are correct. Instead of getting only the attributes, key values, and then searching into the Elasticsearch, we can directly ask for the Elasticsearch query from AI itself.
Okay.
That's a more optimized way. But yeah, because of the time constraint, we couldn't create our own model and train that with the help of our product data.
Okay, so your advantage is that you can train Spryker's product into this. Okay.
We can export all the products and attributes and their values to one Excel sheet, and we can train that model with that data.
Okay, that's great.
So that will be more optimized and accurate results.
I don't have that, so
Yes.
we can mix it.
Pros and cons for each
Yeah,
different.
we can mix both of them.
Exactly. You have another question? Yeah.
How this solution is scalable enough? So today, if they are the 100 products, and tomorrow, if we are just going to use the same solution for the maybe the millions of SKUs, right? Then how it is going to impact the business from the commercial point of view?
So
I'll answer. As of now, we are using default Spryker's functionalities, and how we are using the same workflow the Spryker is using to search using like text search. So now we have introduced AI in between just to extract the information from a arrays. So let's say arrays contains the product name, brand, price, and attributes like color and everything about product. So we are extracting that information into one JSON file, and then we are creating one Elasticsearch query. But when it comes to the scalability, even though if product size is too high, then we also need to scale Spryker built-in functionality as well. Yeah, so that can be scaled using maybe the some Hadoop kind of system, like we can incorporate some big data to handle that much products. So that is up to the even upgradation of core Spryker as well. So because
So
there is a
Nilesh, yeah,
limitation of
hi. Hi, Nagesh. I would also like to add, like currently we are not using the product data. So yeah, like we are using the customer phases, and using the customer phases, we are using the we are creating the attribute mappings. Okay, so we are creating the attributes. So even like if we are having millions of or billions of data, we won't be having that much amount of attribute. Okay, it's because like we have like certain, you can say 100, or you can say maximum 1,000 kind of attribute if we are going with the very large scale data itself. So yeah, uh, we can train our system to better, you can say, recognize the attribute that our system is having, and we can train our model based on the attributes as well. Okay, and yeah, if this default searching with the Elasticsearch is capable of handling that millions of searching using the Elasticsearch, then yeah, we are good to go.
Okay, one last question. So I have seen your I would say that search query where we are just mentioning okay laptop with black color under 2000, right? And
Mhm.
maybe the black color 2000, all these are just attributes, right? But what
Yes.
if I am just searching I want a laptop to build my gaming app?
for
So
that we
basically,
need to
Nirdesh,
train our own model.
yeah. So basically, Nirdesh, if you search this query with the current solution, so what it will do, it will create all the attribute map, and then it will check like if this attribute is available with the current data, it will search. If it is not available, it will skip.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Applause for team 4.